In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Monday.com boards for team success. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking to enhance your team's project management processes, this guide will help you create an efficient and collaborative workspace in no time. To kick off, open your preferred web browser and head over to Monday.com. You'll find the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login screen. For the most seamless experience, you can opt to sign in with Google by clicking the respective button. This would skip the manual entry of your email and password. If you prefer to log in using your email, simply type in the email address associated with your account. If you choose to sign in with Google, a list of your accounts will appear. Select the email address that you intend to use. Once logged in, you are directed to your workspace, where we'll begin setting up a new board. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a prominent blue plus sign button. Clicking on it brings up a menu. Hover your cursor over board. A key advantage of Monday.com is its array of templates, which can significantly streamline your setup process. Click on Start with Template to explore these options. Within the Template Center, you'll find a search box. Here, we're going to focus on project management templates. Type project management in the search box and press Enter. A variety of templates will appear, tailored to different project types and management styles. Select the project management template that suits your team's needs by clicking on it. Once selected, click on the Use Template button to apply it to your board. Congratulations, you now have a structured template ready for your team projects. But we're not done yet. To truly make this board your own, some customization is in order. Personalize the columns, rows, and any additional fields to best align with your team's workflow. Moreover, consider adding automations. Automations can help reduce repetitive tasks, allowing your team to focus on what truly matters. From setting reminders to updating statuses automatically, automations make your board more dynamic and efficient. Finally, collaboration is key, so you'll want to invite your team members to join you. Look for the invite button located at the top right of your screen. From here you can enter your team members' email addresses to give them access to the board. By doing so, everyone remains on the same page and can contribute to the project's success. And there you have it, your Monday.com board is all set up for team success. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a productive and organized workspace that boosts your team's efficiency and collaboration. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.